A very good morning, class 11. Today we start with a new chapter of economics, that is correlation. Well, children, so far we have studied those statistical methods which have focused on the analysis of one variable or one statistical series. But in real life, there are always two or more than two statistical series which are mutually related. For example, change in price will lead to change in demand, or increase in level of employment results in increase in output. So correlation is a statistical measure of the relationship between two variables, such that a change in one variable results a change in other variable, and children, such variables are called correlated. That means the focus of study in such situation is actually on the degree of relationship between different statistical series, and these statistical technique which studies the degree of such relationship is called technique of correlation. So you can say correlation is a mathematical tool which is used to measure the degree to which our variable is linearly related to each other. Now this correlation may be positive also or negative also. Now when I say positive, then it means that when two variables they move in the same direction, that is, when one increases the other also increases, and when one decreases the other also decreases, then such relation is called positive correlation. That means over here we are talking about two variables which move in the same direction. If one increases, other also increases. If one decreases, other also decreases. You can take an example of a relationship between price and supply. If you remember, when we talk about price and supply, means if the price will increase of a commodity, then at the same time supply will also increase. And if the price will decrease of a commodity, then at the same time supply of a commodity will also increase, because they both have a positive relationship, right? Then if we talk about a negative correlation, so children, under negative correlation, when two variables change in different direction, it is called negative correlation. When I am saying two variables change in different direction, means when one changes, then the other do not change in the same direction, but it might change in an opposite direction. Again, you can take an example of a relationship between this time price and demand. Why I said price and demand? The reason, because you people know very well, if the price will increase, then demand will decrease. They both are two variable, and see, they are changing in different direction. As price increase, demand decrease, and as price decrease, demand increase. Means both of these two variables, they are actually changing in different direction, and that is why we say they are negative correlation. Now children, here I want to tell you one thing more, that that students, they tend to believe that correlation suggests a relationship between the two variables where they have a cause and effect relationship, but this is not at all necessary. Okay, they could be related, but their relation does not mean that they have a cause and effect relationship. Correlation just measures the degree of intensity of relationship between the two variables. They may have a cause and effect relationship, or they may not have a cause and effect relationship. For example, you can say students who are good in academics may be good in sports also. Now this could be a meaningful relationship or a meaningful correlation if one finds it, but surely there is no cause and effect relationship between the two variables. So remember this thing. Okay. Then correlation can be a linear correlation or non-linear correlation. When I say linear correlation, it means when two variables change in a constant proportion, it is called linear correlation. Now when I am saying two variable change in constant proportion, this means that if the two sets of data bearing a fixed proportion to each other, that is, two sets of data with a fixed proportion of each other are shown on a graph paper, and their relationship will be indicated by a straight line. So actually linear correlation applies a straight line relationship. When I am saying straight line relationship, it means when I say that, let's say for every change in one variable by 2 units, there is a change in variable by 5 units. That means, say if there are two variables, say A and B, and A variable changes from 2 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 8, 8 to 10, 10 to 12 and 12 to 14. That means this variable is changing by 2 units, right? 2, 3 and 4, 4, 5 and 6, 2 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 8. And another variable which is B, which is jumping from 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30 and 30 to 35. Now see over here, the B variable also changes but by 5 units. You got it? That means these two variables, they are changing in a constant proportion every time. Variable A is changing with 2 units every time, and variable B is been changing with 5 units every time, and that is why I said 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. This is linear correlation. And when I talk about non-linear correlation, means when the two variables do not change in any constant proportion. That means the relationship over here is said to be non-linear, means the two variables are changing but not in a constant proportion. So such relationship does not form a straight line relationship. For example, again, if we have two variables A and B, and let's say A variable changes with 2, 4, then 6, then 8, then 10, then 12 and then 14, right? That means that every time it has been changing with 1 unit, that is 2, then 4, then 6, then 8, then 10, then 12, then 14. But variable B, see the variable B is 3, 7, 12, 18, 25, 35, 45. So if you see, there is no specific relationship between the two variables, though both of them are changing in the same direction, that is, both are increasing but not in any constant proportion, right? So that is the difference between the linear correlation and non-linear correlation. Student, here you can see or you can understand the same example which I gave you with the help of the given data, that is of linear correlation and non-linear correlation.